she will sing Feed the Birds from Walt Disney's Mary Poppins.
Each day